오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같던 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아 하염없이 비가 내려
Hello guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. Welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Willow Makori, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Tunataka tufikia 1,000 subscribers. I know guys nimepotea sana, but I promise you I'm finally back. And I think I'll be uploading a video every Wednesday and Sunday, twice a week. Yeah, so today I just came back from my trip, my small car trip, and I'm just trying to clean my house, clean my fridge and everything else. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today, and then I have other things that I want to plug you guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys are going to love and enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe guys. Also don't forget to like and comment below. Yeah.
오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같던 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 마음 편할 텐데 그래 나도 언젠간 너처럼 다 잊을
Hey guys, so we finally got a console table for the house, and this is exactly what I wanted. So anyone interested, I guess I'll just give you their Instagram page. You check them out here.
카페 커피 향에 사랑을 하고 사랑을 받았었던 추억들이 피어오르네 그림자 없이 날 비추는 태양 그 아래 우산 없이 그냥 흠뻑도 잡고 있어 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 마음 편할 텐데 그래 나도 언젠간 너처럼 다 잊을게 처음부터 우린 없었던 일 환하게 웃을게 비가 그치면 남김없이 쏟아내리면 남김없이 쏟아내리면 잊을 수 있을걸 지울 수 있을걸 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 오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 마음 편할 텐데 그래 나도 언젠간 너처럼 다 잊을게 처음부터 우린 없었던 일 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뼘 위로
Anyway guys, so I'm done. Nyumba imekuwa safi kidogo. Right now, let me show you. You see? Hii nilisahau kuwasha fridge, so the ice cream imemelt. And then I need to do some shopping because what is this? Nimesota kwanza kuchini. But anyway, I'm glad my fridge is clean, and yep. I want to plug you guys. There's some things nimechukua leo, so I want to plug you where I got them from because they're kind of affordable. What did I get first? Hata nimesahau, but anyway, I got this beautiful hangers. Nakwambia semi smart, lakini as for me, pink will one day kill me because sinapenda pink. Imagine ni velvet. I don't know if the camera is going to show how cute they are, but ni smart, like they're very very cute. I took 10 of them at I'll indicate the price there because this lady, she like anaitwaje, ana source vitu from China directly, then zikiland hapa. So like when you pay for them there in China, you pay the exact amount, then zikifika you're being charged the freight. Is it called that, ama? So nivo, these cute velvet hangers, I'm going to use them for my clothes. They're very very nice. Yeah, I'll show you. Nitazionesha up close, sijui kazi itaonekana vizuri. And then I got, you remember me telling you that I want to get spice jars for my kitchen because mnaonaga venye spices zangu every time I cook, they are just, I don't know, they don't look good. So anyway, I got them from this lady. Like I was saying, this lady ana source vitu kutoka China directly. Niko tu kwa WhatsApp group yake, like she has so many things za nyumba, yeah, because I even got some kitchen sets but hazijafika. I'll show you guys when they fika and I'll tell you how much I got them for. Pia hizi spice jars, I'm going to tell you how much I got them for. So like you see, we are so many people in the group. So let's say hizi hangers watu kama 50 watake, ana kila mtu analipa kidogo kidogo till that amount yenye tunauziwa na wholesale ifike. I hope you get me, but yeah. So Makori 12 spice jars and 2 bowls. Actually sikuwa nataka kuchukua hizi 2 bowls. I wanted them very much, but juzi nilienda Carrefour and I got this one. So but it's okay. This ones I got like 5 or 6. Zingine nimeosha. So let me just show you what I got from this lady. I only got 2 pieces of these 2 bowls because nimeshaanza kusema what, because I know they're supposed to be color white, but then I'll get at I'll just indicate that because nimesahau niliziget sijui last month, zimekaa sana, but wow, they're so cute. Mbona iko na nini hapa, I don't know. But yes guys, I love them. You see? It's smart. I think they were like, was it 100 shillings? Wacha tu niache kuguess alafu nitaambia. You see, Makori 24 pieces, but mimi nika get 12 pieces. You see, wameindicate hapa. Because normally someone is supposed to take 24 pieces, but unaweza shikana na mtu uchukue 12 pieces. So yeah, let us open them. I hope they're cute. Okay, because kama si anyway. Oh wow, what is this? Oh wow, zinakuja na nini? I didn't know. I think I was supposed to like, oh wow, yeah. I thought nilikuwa naenda kubuy easy stickers. Oh, imagine they come with stickers. This one maybe for 24. Wow, this is so cute. Alafu hii ni ya nini? Hata sijui. I think hii ni ya kuoshea. Alafu acha tuzifungue. Nisizifungwe jamani. Nasikia. Yeah. Nikapasua kufunga. Guys, just look how cute they look. I think this is zimeshikushikwa. I don't know hizi ni za nini, but mi sijui yake. Oh, okay. I think zinafaa kuwekwa hivi. Yes. So imagine guys, they come 12 pieces. I paid 900 shillings for these 12 pieces for everything. It comes with I think this is a mark pen. Yeah, zile za kuandika. Tuseme, yeah, you see? Hey, and then there are a lot. Oh, wow. Okay, nimepewa the extra. So these are 24.48. So nikiamua kuongeza zingine, I don't need this. Plus these two things. Then umeona nimeka this one plus this one for washing. Wow, this is so worth it kabisa. Si hata tumegonga or anything. So guys, nililipa 900, and then when I'm just confirming because nimetoka kuziandika saizi, and then when they landed I paid 475 shillings for shipping fee. Yeah, so that is 1375 in total. Hebu mniambie kama if like you order from somewhere, they're kind of expensive. So if you guys need her contacts and you just text her. I think they even have an Instagram page, and then they have a link, so you just go to their page, then you join the link. And then for the hangers, imagine this kawan kahanga. Let me close this pen just a minute. This one nimeangalia, I paid like one goes for 35 shillings. So I took 10 of them. I paid 350 shillings, imagine. And then when they landed, I paid 300 shillings. So in total, nilipa 650 for everything. Imagine. Yep. And then Kitchenone was kind of expensive for this one because they were going for, like, not expensive because one is 80 shillings. And then shipping fee I paid 300. So I wish ningechukua mingi ndo zikifika nilipe shipping fee hiyo 300, like nione imefanya kitu. So yes guys, I'm still waiting for, there's something I bought, pampas grass, and then they were very, very affordable. I can't remember, but when I get them I'll show you guys. Plus that silicone kitchen set, I think you guys know it, ile ya vijiko za kitchen. I bought it at 1000 shillings because here nimeona zinauzwa I think 25 or something. So I think I'm saving kidogo. So guys, if you guys are interested, like I said, I'll tag her IG, mtaenda huko then mtapata link. So yes guys, that's it. Nimemaliza. This is where I have placed them. I can't do it too. Hang my jackets, my clothes. Hata sinaga jacket jamani. Don't mind this car bag. I love this bag so much. Yani my designer car bag. Yani ona venye imehangiwa up. Guys, I guess that's it for today. My house is very, very clean. I had someone who was helping me to clean it, so nimebaki kwa range. By the way guys, anyone who is interested to get this TV stand from me, kindly DM me, because the reason why I'm selling it is because I want to upgrade to a better one, a bigger one. I mean, yeah, got it at 1600, so definitely the price itakuwa chini kidogo because I got it in December, I think. Yeah, so if you're interested, kindly DM me. Yes, so watch out tupange hapa, and guess I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I promise I'm going to be very, very active. Musiame aki, please, you guys just watch my videos. Please don't go. Anyway, let me just finish arranging this. I was question arrange, but I love this candle. My sister got it for me, imagine, on my birthday. She's so sweet. Inanukia, I can't wait to use it because bado niko na ingine. Let me show you guys the other one. Then I'll finish up here. This is the one. Hapa ametoka tu akaacha hivyo hivyo. Na she's a nice lady. Anyway, na huyu mtu sina sweets jamani, but I think I do have sweets. Just a minute, let me bring them. Actually even don't like sweets. Hizi zote naikaga, hizi hata ni chocolate. Wageni wangu mi sipendi kina Tabi especially. This is the one that I'm using.